Hi my beauties, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be recreating Deepika Padukone's look from her Gahraiyan promotion. So if you wanna know how I created this, then keep watching the full video. But before that, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification for future updates. So without any further ado, let's begin. I started with moisturizing my face with moisturizer from Bobbi Brown. I'm taking a while to apply and massage it to my skin. Then I'm applying an illuminating and hydrating primer from Eyeliner. I'm using a good amount of it and spreading evenly to all over my face. Now it's time to color correct, so I'm using color corrector from Insight Cosmatics and I'm applying it to under my eyes and around my nose and lips where I have uneven skin tone. To apply that, I'm using brush RT300 from Real Technique. Now moving on to my foundation. The foundation that I'm using is Maybelline Fit Me foundation and I'm in shade Warm Nude. To apply the foundation, I'm using a wet beauty sponge. I'm spreading the foundation evenly to all over my face. Now I'm using the concealer from Bobbi Brown, that is a full coverage concealer, and I'm in shade Warm Natural. I'm applying it to the areas wherever I have uneven skin tone or I want to highlight, like under my eyes, around my nose and lips, and to my forehead. Now I'm blending it using same beauty sponge and I'm blending it just by tapping in. Do not drag the concealer from its place. I'm instantly setting the concealer with loose powder, and to apply it I'm using brush from Real Technique, that is RT200. By setting with the loose powder, the concealer would not crease. Now I'm going to fill in and shape my eyebrows because Deepika has a very thick brow, so I'm going to do a little bit to match with her. Once done with filling, I'm using a concealer brush to apply the concealer above and below my brows to define it. Then using the same brush to apply the concealer to all over my lid as a base. Again setting the concealer with loose powder so that it does not crease. Now moving on to my eyeshadow, I'm applying a dark brown shade to all over my lid and softening the edges around the crease using a small blending brush from Miniso. Deepika has a very intense brown kind of smoky look, so I'm trying to achieve the same. Then applying the same shade to my lower lash line as well using a flat definer brush. Using an angled brush to apply the highlighter to my brow bone. And the highlighter that I'm using is from Sugar Cosmetics in shade Champagne. Finishing the eye look by curling my eyelashes and applying a coat of mascara. The mascara that I'm using is Zoom and Woosh mascara from Colorbar. I'm applying a good amount of it to my upper and lower lash line. Now it's the time to contour, so I'm using a cream contour from Stay Quirky. I'm in shade dark brown. I'm applying it to my usual areas like my cheekbones, jawline, nose and forehead. To blend the contour, I'm using an angled contour brush and I'm making sure that everything is blended out nicely. Now moving on to the blush. So the blush that I'm using is from Sugar Cosmetics in shade Coral Climax. I'm applying it to my cheekbones using a brush. Now for highlighting rest of the face, I am using same highlighter from Sugar Cosmetics in shade Champagne, and I am applying it to my high points like my cheekbones, my nose, my forehead and to my cupid bow. For the lipstick, I am using Coffee Command from Insight Cosmetics. All the products that I have used will be mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check it. To complete the look, I have applied false eyelashes. Now applying some eyeliner on top of the lash band so that the glue does not peek through it. So this is the final look that I have created so far. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. In case you end up recreating this look, so don't forget to tag me on my socials. My social links you'll get in the description box itself. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I'll see you in a brand new one. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.